I don't know about you, but when I'm out in the woods, I don't like losing my tools. My shovel, my saw, my knives, all that. So I have a little trick for you. I'm going to go ahead, put primer on it today. Do fluorescent orange, spray paint, and glow in the dark. So you can find them at night. Alright, all I'm doing right now, I'm going through, I'm taping off my blade because that's going to get most of the use. So the paint will wear off. You want a well ventilated area when you do this. I'd be outside doing this today, but it's a little bit windy out. And I don't want this spray paint going all over. So I'm just taping off. When you got a blade, the edge of your blade back here, come up here high and push down so you don't cut yourself. Just like that. Better safe than sorry. And fold over. When you got clips like this, I like this case because it's waterproof. You go ahead and tape around the outside. Push down on your outside here until complete. This one is my camera case. I went around and taped the zipper off. So I don't lose my camera case because I keep my batteries in this. My extra SD cards and all that. I'm going to shake this up real well. If I can get it off. There we go. Just bang it on the floor. Alright, you're going to use your primer first. This primer is good for wood, metal, plastic, and more. A nice even coat. If you get any on you, oh, I didn't finish taping that off. I guess I'll be fighting to open that later. Set that aside. You get any of this spray paint on your fingers, and you don't wear gloves like I do, nail polish remover will take it off. This dries in minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do my case as well. This case has a hard plastic outer portion to it, so I don't have to worry about the fabric getting stuck together. If you're worried about your fabric getting stuck together, if you don't have one like mine, you can go ahead and put a stick inside of this so you can keep it separated. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish priming these. Alright, I'm going to have my supermodel over here. Hold that piece of newspaper. And we're going to do flashlights. I went ahead and taped off my lens. This one turns. So I kind of want to tape that off a little bit more. Button to turn it on. As soon as I find my tape, there it is. And I did the same thing with this one. With any wood, you want to sand it a little bit so your paint sticks better. Our primer is almost dry on some of this. There's one flashlight. I'm running out of room. I got my drying table behind me. There's our other one. We'll wait for those to dry. There's this one I broke. Wasn't the spray manufacturers that did this time. It was me. There's that. Now we're doing fluorescent orange only because it's going to stick out in the dark. It's going to make it a brighter color when we apply the fluorescent spray paint to it. So during the fall, you're going to be able to see it better. Than you would with the green. I'm going to go ahead, go through and spray paint these off fluorescent orange. Alright, I got a few pieces spray painted the fluorescent orange. I'm going to go ahead and do the glow in the dark. And I'll sit there and let them dry. And show you the end result of those. Travel with a small shovel so that way if you're in a bare populated area and you have to use the bathroom, you can dig a hole and cover it back up. Then we'll sit here and let those dry now. As you can see, my machete glows in the dark now. Took some time, but got it done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Click on one of the other videos. And don't forget to hit subscribe.